Welcome everybody to another episode of Beer of the Week, brought to you by Andy and
Garrett.
Tomorrow is International Women's Day, and to commemorate the wonderful work and the hard dedication of women in the beer and craft beer industry, we have a very special beer today. What is International Women's Day and when did it start? Well, actually it dates all the way back to 1909 in New York City. But it didn't really become so internationally prominent until 1977, when the United Nations actually decreed that this would be an international day of celebration. So Garrett, what beer are we drinking and what does it have to do with women in the beer industry?
This is an O'Neill Stout. This is from Left Field Brewery in the east end of Toronto. And Left Field Brewing is co-owned by Mandie Murphy. So there are a number of different craft breweries in and around Southern Ontario that have women in the industry, which is fantastic, and not just head brewers, but owners as well. And it's really good to shine a little bit of light on the wonderful production of craft beers that are done by these breweries. So we're drinking the O'Neill Stout today. We'll crack it open. And also a fun little fact about the O'Neill Stout, it is a 100% Canadian stout. So it means Left Field Brewery used 100% Canadian ingredients in brewing this beer.
Wow, how about that?
Canadian women in beer.
Yeah, I think it's important that, obviously, like we mentioned, women in craft beer, it's amazing to see such progress in terms of where we are in 2022, but I think it's important that we all recognize that there's still a long ways to go, and we can all be a positive force in finding more equality in beer and in craft beer.
Absolutely. Everybody drinks craft beer. Cheers to that.
Craft beer
is here.